How to send Interac e-transfer in the TD Bank app. So you should be able to do this as long as they have an eligible account at a participating Canadian financial institution. But once that's all set, you can go ahead to your TD app and log into your account. Then go ahead and find this, which is Interac e-transfer, or you can find it here in the Move Money section. Once you press on that, you can send money. So you can choose your contacts. If you don't have any, you can go ahead and press on the plus button and just choose the TD account you want to send from. So you can put it in the contact, enter contact name, address, and mobile, the language preference if you even want, and then just go ahead and press on done. So once the contact does appear here, you can go ahead and choose that as another contact, and then you can just choose how much you want to send. You will be able to see how much you can send as well, the available money to send, and then just go ahead and choose from which account you have, and then choose from who. Put a message if you'd like, and then the amount, of course, and then just press on next. You're gonna have to verify as well the amount that you have placed in, let's say $5, the sender, which is most likely you, of course, from which account, and then the recipient. Then just go ahead and press on send money. So recipients, like the contact you just sent to, are usually notified by email or text message quickly, and TD does also note that the transfer fees may depend on your account type as well. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.